Next box is going to be 2016 Panini Infinity. Going to have 3 hits. At least 1 auto, at least 1 jersey. Hopefully 2 autos. Nice 1-pack box. Nice and quick. There's the 1-pack MC box. 2016 Infinity. I think the one on the back is a base or a parallel. It's a rookie. All right, good luck. Rookie for the Bucks, Noah Spence. Noah Spence for the Bucks rookie. That is not numbered. Noah Spence for the Bucks rookie. Got a base card for the Eagles, Sam Bradford. Don't think base is numbered. Nope. Sam Bradford for the Eagles base. Got a parallel for the Bengals. Starting the year off pretty crappy. Andy Dalton. Numbered out of 88. Numbered 66 out of 88. Andy Dalton for the Bengals. Blue out of 88. And we'll get it. Start with some hits. Jersey for the Seahawks, Alex Collins. Alex Collins jersey. Seahawks out of 88. Alex Collins for the Seahawks out of 88. Got a Bronco, Devontae Booker jersey. Devontae Booker jersey for the Broncos. That was out of 288. 288 for the Broncos. And the last one should be an auto for the Rams. Nice. Pharaoh Cooper. Pharaoh Cooper for the Rams. That is out of 288. I'm not sure what he's doing. If he's getting some playing time or not. I know they got Cooper Kupp from this year's draft class. Haven't heard about Pharaoh Cooper yet this year. But there's an auto for the Rams.